Hello, I'm Nick Bisaccia, the owner of the Cabinet Joint. The Cabinet Joint provides heirloom quality RTA cabinets shipped direct from the manufacturer right to your door. First and foremost, we've got renowned designers, we've got top-notch cabinet coaches, we've got project managers. We're a small family-owned business, all USA-made products. We've worked with thousands of clients, hundreds of thousands of cabinets that we've sold over the years. We service all different types of customers. Our largest customer base is going to be the DIY market. These are customers who are handy, who've engineered their project, who know what they're looking for, and we pair them with the best manufacturer the country has to offer. We also have a really large, growing group of contractors. We work with everybody from a homeowner to business and everything in between. So how does the process start? The process starts with a simple quote request form. We have that on our website, cabinetjoint.com. With that estimate, you're going to receive your very own cabinet coach. You'll be working directly with him or her for the duration of your project. We coach you from the design all the way through the eventual assembly that you'll be doing in your home. These cabinets are manufactured to your specification and our standards. It's all packed together on the pallets, shrink wrapped and shipped directly to your door, and they're ready to assemble. We have a number of different lines of cabinetry, both in our Advantage line and our Access line. Within Advantage, we carry full overlay, partial overlay, even an ultra overlay, and then we also carry Inset in 2 different styles. And then on the Access, that's our full line of frameless cabinetry. We use North American hardwoods, we're using all plywood boxes, just the top materials, and then the full range of customizability of our products is really what sets us apart. There's thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of finishing options that we have between our standard species, custom species, different cuts of lumber, whether it be rift and quartered with complete customizing ability up to the 16th of an inch. With the Cabinet Joint, you have the ability to do some fun things, whether you wanted to do continuous face frames or you want something unique and a display case, or say you're a scrapbooker and you wanted 3-inch drawers from floor to ceiling, we can do all of those things. We're ready, willing, and able to assist you in any way possible, right? It's not just the end goal that matters, it's how you're treated along the way. And so that's something that we pride ourselves in, that we stick with you from the time the initial contact all the way until you've got completed photos at the end of that project. The last screw is driven, the last staple, the wood glue is all set up. We're going to stick with you all the way through. So go get some ideas and give us a call. 888-211-6482. Custom kitchens, call for custom cabinets.